Hi guys, welcome back to Lou's Beauty Closet. This is your first time here. Hi, I'm Lou. I post weekly beauty videos. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And without further ado, let's get into it. Right guys, so it's Cancer season. This year has gone by so fast. Cancer's sigil is the crab and they are a water sign. The moon is their ruling planet and the colours usually associated with Cancer are white and silver. So colours of like intuition, you know, and purity almost. These awesome Cancers, they are quite tenacious people. They are emotional and they do get a bit of flack for being a bit over emotional sometimes, and they are imaginative people. So I have no issues with them. They're lovely people. My moon sign is actually in Cancer, so it's very interesting this Cancer season. So, and also if you didn't have a chance to catch all the rest of the signs I've done so far, I'll link that on the screen. But without further ado, let's get into how I got this look now. So this is the look we're doing on the other eye. So it's kind of like a soft cut crease situation. Kind of almost done my brow. They're grown out at the moment. They're dual wax, so ignore those. And on my lid, I've already primed with some concealer. I'll be using the Norvina palette. So we're using the ABH Glitter in Crystal Cave, as well as the Norvina palette, using the Sonia G Blender Pro brush. Going into the Norvina palette using the shade Incense, and we're going to blend that as almost like a transition shade. Just a nice wash of colour up there. And then we're switching to the Sonia G Worker Pro brush and we're picking up the shade Eccentric, and we're going to pop that in our crease and bring that up and blend the two together. And with nothing extra on the brush, we're going back into the first brush, just blending the two together. Then I'm picking the Fenty concealer and we're just going to cut the crease basically. So I'm just popping a light amount and we're just using a Sigma flat brush and we're just going to use the edges of the brush to carve out the lid space. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going up a bit high so that you can see it when I open my eyes. So just blend that until you're satisfied, and I'm winging out the corners too, just creating the shape I want. Then we're going to take the Fenty powder in honey and we're just going to set that so it's not too tacky. And I'm taking my MAC 242 brush and we're going into the shade Base from the Norvina palette, and we're just going to place that on top of where we've just cut the crease. So we're using this basically as a base for the glitter. Just patting that on, using the brush to help us with the edges. Then we're going to take the blender brush and just go over that edge just to make sure it's nice and tidy. So we're going to grab our glitter, get that prepared. Sonia G Builder Pro and the ABH Glitter Adhesive, and it was almost like a nail varnish applicator. So we're just going to apply that onto that cut crease area, and then we're going to take that Builder Pro brush, pick up the glitter and pat it onto it whilst it's nice and wet. So you want to work quite quickly with this step. Nice and wet, we're just going to pat it everywhere and then just keep building so you get that nice opaque glitter. There is a bit of fallout, just wipe that away. And then lower lash line, we're using the same shades we used on the crease, so Incense and Eccentric, and just blending that along the bottom. Then we're using the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liner in the shade Zodiac, which is quite deceiving with the lid, and we're just going to do a nice baby wing on the edges just to help us define the look. And the tip is really, really thin and sharp with this one, so it helps with these tiny wings you want to do. Then we're going in with McGrath mascara and just popping some mascara on our upper and lower lashes and building to your heart's desire. You can add extra lashes if you want. Then I'm taking my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, priming my face. And then for base, we're using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm almost out of this one, so we're just trying to get rid of it. And using the Hourglass Vanish brush just to apply that. Love this brush, as you guys know. Then we're going to set our face with the Fenty powder in Nutmeg. So So my nose, my oily areas, T-zone, around my mouth. Then using the Fenty concealer again in 390 and just applying that to our under eyes. And then setting with the powder in Honey. Next we're sculpting with the Natasha Denona contour powder in the shade 5. We're just going to sculpt out our cheekbones, carve out the sides of our nose. Then for my cheeks, I'm using the Hourglass Euphoric Strobe Light as glow, and then the NARS Dolce Vita liquid blush for my blush. So I'm going to use the liquid first, then put powder on top. So just apply it to my hand, dab it there, tap off the excess on my hand, then apply it to my cheeks and build. Then we're going in with our Wayne Goss number 10 brush to apply the highlighter to our high points of our face, cheekbones, bridge of the nose. Now we're going into lips, so we're using MAC's Cork lip liner, lining the edges of my lips. And then we're going to fill it in with the MAC lip gloss in Primordial. This is a new addition in my collection. This is part of the MAC Strip Down collection. Really love this kind of look. And there we have it. Finished look. Very simple. I let the eyes do all the talking. Very true to Cancer with the colors as well. It was really hard with this one because of the colors being white and silver. I kind of wanted that opaque kind of look, that bold, glittery and angelic kind of look. White as well in there, and then I kind of wanted the rest of my face to be quite neutral. With my glow, I wanted something that was a bit ethereal but not too like glittering in your face. With the lips as well, I wanted those to be really nude and neutral so that the eyes do the talking. It's pretty much like a really soft cut crease essentially. It's like a really, really soft one. And I think it's quite true to Cancers. Again, let me know if you are a Cancer sign. Would you wear this look? Would you not? Do you think it is quite representative of your sign? Let me know. Love to continue the chat in the comment section down below. So yeah, I had fun. We had a bit of a party with all the glitter falling out everywhere and applying that, and it's always fun using glitter. I'm really liking this lip. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.